Nairobi.
Ramogi owuok Parliament Buildings wadhi nyaka Muhoroni gwenge ma kaunti ma Kisumu. Kwan joma osewito ngimagi bang' masira mar apaya manyo otimore koru Muhoroni ochopo ji 5 bang' achiel kuom jotuo 4 manyo ochwale kar thieth ma Ramogi Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital bende wito ngimane. Ji 3 mamoko to pod dhi nyime gi yudo thieth e osiptandno. Ji mamoko 8 dhi nyime gi yudo thieth e od thieth ma St Vincent Mission manitiere Muhoroni. Masira no manyo otimore otieno manyoro ji maromo 15 bende nyo yudo hinyruok kendo nyo thiethgi bang'e to wegi gidhi pacho.
Yeah, last night there was a very serious traffic accident near Muhoroni where we received at around 11 o'clock 4 patients who were severely injured. They had fractures of the lower limbs, fractures of the upper limbs, and in fact we had one who had a traumatic hand amputation. It's unfortunate that one of those involved in the road accident, passed away while undergoing treatment.
One lady who had what's called traumatic amputation is currently in theater, is undergoing surgical debridement as we speak. The remaining 2 that actually have some fractures, they have been attended to by the orthopedic team, and as the CEO has said, all that I've done is to ensure that the patient safety is held, and the patient actually currently are recuperating well, and